What's good, chat? What's good? All right, 3 minutes into the opening bell. Let's see what to it. I think that we can still maybe trade here, trade from here to the buy side, but we'll see if they want to come down and take out these lows. So, um, let's see what we got today. We got any news? Pending home sales at 10 o'clock, so I'll have to wait for that for sure. Gotta wait on that. What's the bias today, chat? What y'all think? We going up or lower or higher? So we got 1 minute time frame. Do it just like that. We got the 8:30 opening with this candle here at 21,348 flat. 21,348 flat. Got 8:30 there, and we have I already marked it up from last night. Midnight open from last night. Bullish. Okay. What do we do? What did we just do? So 15-minute time frame. Back it up just a little bit. Wait, 1 hour. We got the discount wick price. Use this wick here to trade back up with the new day opening gap. So just holding that support. So at 9:30 we have got this at 9:30. No fair value gap was created just yet. That might be important, but we got these highs there and these highs here. Buy side there. Minor buy side level there. Bullish. Okay, cool. Chat. Okay. What I will do is though, because we continue to stay around this level. So Tuesdays, Monday, Tuesday. Let me see how they use that. Really quick. 9:30, 9:31. Yesterday's first presentation fair value gap, and we have another fair value gap here, which is right here. Got the higher time frame. Let's see. Yeah, okay, we have an SMT on ES here. Let's see if they do with that. New week opening gap, consequent encroachment is still there. You will see we took out this jagged slow movement here from today. Took out this low. This was the low from definitely gonna get me a keyboard and mouse today. I want to slide to Target, Best Buy, Walmart. I'm definitely gonna find me a nice keyboard and mouse, so I can just be like this. You feel me? Instead of having to slouch over like this. So this was the London low right here. We took that out. Took the sell side from London. 10. Do it like that. London low. 5 minute. 935. First presentation fair value gap. There. Where's the fair value gap? So this was yesterday's. Let me just make sure I indicate that. And this is today's. We got the opening range gap, consequent encroachment right here. We have it. We just tapped it there. We also do got some sell side right here. Swept this high as well. We swept that high there. Buy side, what do we have? Break lower. Gap here. Okay, we have this inversion right here being used. Inversion fair value gap. Let me make this purple. So we already traded into the consequent encroachment of this level. Let me just indicate it real quick. There. I mean, it wouldn't be a factor, but I guess I can still delineate it. 21,28675. So we took out the sell side from, oh, this was the London low. I'm tripping. This was the London low here. So we took out the London low. 10 there. Look at the higher time frame, like the 1 hour. Okay, so 1 hour, what are we doing? I'll get rid of this discount wick. But real quick, you see how this long wick right here, pause. We got this wick right here. Wicks are considered gaps. Look how they use the midpoint of this wick to price higher. Check out this high. I was watching this happen last night. But we are now inside of this bullish fair value gap on a 60-minute while retesting the new day opening gap from yesterday. So let's see if this is a catalyst to want to take price higher. Okay, new day opening gap, consequent encroachment was just hit. That's important. 60-minute bullish. Fair value gap. So let's see. Crazy volatility, right? Crazy. ES. Let's see. So I was thinking, chat. I was still bullish, chat. I was still bullish after seeing this happen. Let's see. What is this? Why do I have this on my? That's just there. Okay. Do one more chart. News at 10, so I'm waiting for that. I'm waiting for that to occur, then we should be good. 4 hour, what are we doing? 4 hour closes in 13 minutes. We got the 1 hour. Okay, cool. So I want to see what they do with this next 1 hour candle. 15 minutes, yeah, I want to see what they do here. So sell side here. And we also have the sell side here. So we got 2 levels, really 3 levels here. So we're gonna see what they want to do with it. With demo still for testing my new strategy. What's your new one? What's the new strategy, bro? What's the new strategy? I'm longs at 2188, 218825. You went long at 2188. But you went long here. Not bad. Fib retracement there. So you caught an optimal trade entry. That's nice. Combining with ICT order flow. Pretty nice. I think they would bring it to these lows here. I would have went long here just based off the consequent encroachment of this new day opening gap and seeing this heavy price action. I would have took the short here after seeing that bearish fairly gap. I think they can bring it down here. But we will see though. We will see. We got news at 10. We also got this order block right here as well. This is the low of that order block, so that's what I'm paying attention to because we already traded into the mean threshold of it, which is the midpoint of the order block. 21.6525. What? Hold on. 21.61. There we go. So I'm watching that low. This is the order block low here on a higher time frame. Want to see what we do by 10. Got stopped out. Could have closed that at 4 RR. Yeah, you should have closed that definitely at 4 RR. I would have definitely took that, or at least took the break even or something like that. After seeing price be this heavy coming down. It's heavy right here. We dropped how many points? We dropped 200 points in less than 15 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So less than 10 minutes, we dropped 200 points. We getting that volatility back in the market, bro. That's all that is there. All right, we just test that order block low. Yeah, I think they push it down lower. So hopefully I can find a setup, something that'll yield me to get in after 10 o'clock. So let's see. Yeah, this is nice right here. But we gonna wait till 10, chat. Wait till 10. This should hold that support right here. So if you're going short, this should hold that support. Price should not come back above this candle here. We already did enough here. Midnight open, acting as resistance. All these PDRAs are acting as resistance. So that's how I'm looking at it as of right now, at least. I'll get rid of that order block low. Focusing on the midnight opening price, and I'm watching the lower. I'm watching to see how they test this here. See if they trade back into it. Just like that right there. The lower parameter of this gap. I thought I had to sneeze, chat, my bad. Miss you, fam. Keep grinding. Miss you too, bro. I'll see you soon, my boy. Don't worry about it. Now I'm on demo. It doesn't matter if I lose with my strategy. I can basically catch low/high of the session with a tight stop. Oh, okay. Okay. That's tough. That's tough, bro. No cap. Yeah, price should just keep delivering lower from here. Like I said, look how we got the test there. So you could have went short here, stop above here, and then you could split this range up right here from the midnight. Let's just take the midnight to this low here, split the range up, and just start taking partials. Discord, I need to get that. I need to get that put as a command, Fluxy, bro. I definitely need to get that, but I'll drop my Discord link here. Give me 1 second. 1 second, chat. 1 second. Discord growing nice and smooth at a cool little pace. We got 32 members now, so super nice. I'm gonna pin that for you guys. 1 second. Pin message. I should be the Discord. So if you took the short here, or at this order block here, you could be taking partials here. Or you could just wait at least take a partial at the midpoint of this here, since we already ran out this low. We definitely can eat away at this. This happened yesterday at 420, yeah. So we definitely should eat away up at that, but take one off there, one off there, one off there. I wish this move would have happened before 10, bro. If there's something that can delineate me a run, so at 10, say we get some type of we'll see. We inside that macro though. right, chat? Sell side there. Extend right. I want to see if we hang around this area for a little minute. If we can hang around this area just for a little minute, come back up and maybe retest this for value you got. That'd be a catalyst for me to want to take price a little lower, but we'll see. That macro is doing its job for sure today. Got the macro delivering perfect, right? Nice and smooth, nice and clean. So we just took out that first objective there. Look at chat, I can basically catch trades like that. All right. Just took out that first sell side level here. So 15 minute. Will this be enough? 114 points. Man, it like they may just get there today. Oh my god. This is a crazy short, bro. Too bad it didn't happen after 10. We will see. We'll see what they do at 10 o'clock. Will we get there in 4 minutes, or will we just wait? Oh my, this was a crazy move. I don't know how I feel about not taking it, even though like it could just be FOMO, but this is so clear and obvious. I don't know how I feel about 950. I don't know how I feel about not taking that, especially we got the macro in play, but we'll see though. We'll see if we can get some type of retracement. We got this 5 minute gap here, so let me see how they treat that gap. I knew price was going to eat through this. Every time, whenever you see stuff like this happen, you can just go buy side, sell side. Whenever something like this is swept, you can expect them to make a run lower for something like this. Plus, we got the slow, jagged movement I talk about every single day. Slow and jagged price action. We eat away at that so clean and pristine. You feel me? Like I said, I don't know how I feel about this chat just yet. It's alright. There's plenty more moves to be caught, but this is just too obvious. Especially when we tap there, I could have went short there as well, but may incorporate something when it comes to the macro, I guess. Then in my trading plan, not really sure yet. I'll figure it out, but this was 200 points here, pretty much. From here to here, 200 points. I wonder who caught did anybody catch these shorts here? You had 3 opportunities. You had, well, 4 really. You had here, this order block here, this fair value gap here. That's what? 1, 2, 3. You got the test of this one here, 4, and you got that last one there, 5. So you had 5 opportunities to go short in here. 5 signatures to get along with the ride. 1 minute, then I can hunt. But I do think we can bring it there. It's already kind of too low to this. 60 points. I'll wait until we get like some type of retracement or something. Yeah, no retracement. I don't know if I can allow myself to it may have I may have to just I'll think about that. Lose at 10, so we good. We're gonna see what they do with these pendant sales. So we took out the low from we took out the low from last Monday. Obviously this would be the next objective here. So let's see. Austin, I hope you caught those sales, bro. This was just so obvious, bro. I hope you caught those, gang. I really hope you caught those. If you risked 1,000 and you did what you said you was gonna do, bro, you should have passed. You should already have that account passed with this move alone. You're gonna see chat. I like how he closed under that. I like that closure there. Let me see. You're gonna see chat. New 15-minute candle just opened 3 minutes ago. 5-minute candle 2 minutes ago. So I want to see if they what they want to do with this here. No, bro. I waited till 10 a.m. Oh man. Oh man. I called out the short though. That was pretty obvious. New day opening gap. Consequent encroachment. We inside the macro. I would have took this. It's just the way I trade. I really like to just be specific. I like to do that 10 o'clock to 11:30 time window. But you're gonna see. The reason why I just didn't short this just yet, because we're already kind of close to the range. The next level would be this here, 26.9450, but we're already dropped so much we don't gotta get there. So we'll see what happens. There's nothing. We got that low there. Those are kind of equal, I would say. Well, nah. We gotta run lower. This is the low at 76375. Let's see if they want to bring it higher or bring it lower. there. See how they treat it there. So this is like a look. This is like a grab. See how price? See how what price did here? And they took out the sell side here. Price closed. You got that bearish closure, but you see right here, price like grabbed it, wicking it. You know what I mean? Like it. If that makes sense. About to trade into that 5 minute. Get rid of that there. Okay, ES didn't take out its low, but NQ did. Do what they want to do with it, chat. We just tapped into that 5 minute inefficiency. The high is at 2009 0 2. Okay. Looking at this wick here, this discount wick, midpoint consequent encroachment there, so that's nice how we used it there, that discount wick. I want to see if they continue to bring it lower. Seven minutes. We'll have to wait. Okay. I think we still can push a little lower. We didn't trade back up into these. We didn't trade above this high. This green candle's high. Bullish candle. Got gaps here, but see how it's wicking. So we'll see. I'm not gonna just enter just off that. You did tap back into it there. So that kind of lines up with that. Yeah, it kind of lines up with that there. That 5 minute. That 5 minute fair value gap high low. This is the high, this is the low of it. So what pair is this? This is the NASDAQ 100 futures contract. So you want to go type in there, NQ, you want to go there, and you want to click March 2025. This is a crazy drop. Get rid of that now. Inside that there. Testing that midpoint. No problem, bro. I want to see if this can be used as an inversion. Let's see if it's used as an inversion or if we deliver to the upside from it. Order block high here we tapped into as well. Let me do this instead first. So they want to continue to bring it higher. Let me see. Okay. Got this breaker low here. I'm non-longs at 20.951 at 10.08. Okay. Solid. So this is that displacement right here. This is what I call displacement. So breaker here. Just wick into that 5 minute as well. Balanced price range based on how this closes. So let's see how this closes first before I go. We are below the midnight open. We swept the sell side. We broke structure to the upside, but let's wait a little longer. This could be a fake run, but we will see. He went long at 10:08. He went long at this bearish candle there. That's nice. Looking at the midpoint of this gap here. We're inside this 15-minute now. The 1 hour. Let me see your price creates a fair value gap here. Yeah, you're using using TPO and footprint chart. Okay. I've never heard of that, but whatever it is, must be good if you caught the long here at 10:08. So you're up about 142 points, 143 points. That's tough. I'm expecting this to be the low of the day, probably. We will see. We will see if that's the case. To that 15-minute. Let's see if they create a fair value gap here. If they create a fair value gap here, it'll most likely hold up after taking the sell side. We may deliver to the upside, so we'll see. If it does, then this could be a catalyst for a draw on liquidity at the midnight open. But I want to see if it comes back down here first. Check Discord. Okay, my boy Dave caught a decent move. Wait until something's clear enough to take chat. We waiting. Fair value gap there. We got the breaker high here. This is that breaker. Let's see what happens. You sniped that shit, bro. You sniped that Fluxy, bro. That's valid. That's valid, bro. You sniped that shit. Okay, we got this bear trap that you got right here as well. I'm watching, so I want to see your price gets into that. We didn't tap into it, we left it open. Okay, this might have been a long here, but after taking the sell side, that's probably me. We'll see though, we got plenty of time to still catch something pretty decent. But after seeing price do this, you would think maybe price would want to drop. But I mean, we did have a huge drop. So we'll see. I'll get rid of this here. There. Middle line there. We'll see what happens. If we can create a gap, then I can look to go short. I mean long inside here. Well, I probably should have took that there. Being a little bit too patient with it. Should have took it at the breaker. Inversion breaker should have took it, but we'll be alright. Midnight open. Being treated as a magnet. Price should trade back up into that. Yeah. We'll see though, chat. We'll see if we can find something. See how this closes. I don't like that stop is a little too much for me. Not unless we would want to just come back and target that there. That's not really likely, you know. We'll see. And order flow. We gonna wait, chat. We got this 5 minute. Price may want to tap back into that, so we'll wait. Get rid of that. I can link it. Yeah, you can send it to my Discord. I'll see what you're talking about. Get rid of that as well. Get rid of that. well there. See what they want to do. They want to bring it lower and just sweep the sell side, then go higher. If they want to continue to just trade higher from here. 15-minute starts in 4 minutes, so we'll see. Hopefully it doesn't leave us, because if we could trade back into that, that'd be nice. Yeah, you can send it to me. Send it to the Discord. I'll see what you're talking about. This is my model though. Sweep, breaker, market structure, retracement to a fair value gap. I just wasn't. It was too bearish. This was still in play right here. That's 694 and this here. But after seeing this grab here, because this is different from when price took liquidity, it was different from when it took it here. After seeing price tap back into the midpoint, it didn't even reach to the midpoint, so that I should have, yeah. We'll see though. Treating this as an inversion. I don't think we're gonna get there. It's not. We'll see. But I don't think we'll get there after creating this here. Looking at prices, how it's holding up. Let me see the midpoint of it. Okay. So this should be treated as an inversion. I mean, yeah. Well, nah, not necessarily. Not necessarily this one. This one I want to see used as an inversion. Stop or go. Give it a little minute. 1 minute left, so I'll wait to see how this 1 minute closes here. Cause price could easily just melt here, and then I could take a loss for no reason. So just wait just a little bit. Anything I'm missing? Immediate rebalance there on the 5 minute. So it may not want to get this, may just act as a breakaway gap. Immediate rebalance, 5 minute inversion. I'm liking that low key now. All right, so what I'll do is I'll add some now. Stop will go there. I want to see where I would aim this at. So new day opening gap, consequential Coleman low there. I could target that there. That'd be 2 to 7. This high would be a 2 to 8. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. And see if we close, how we close here. Okay. I could see price running this out. So if price tap back into this, I'll take the short here because on the 15 minute, like I respected the midpoint of this gap. If we would have closed above it, that would have indicated me that we are bearish. We inverted this fair value gap, so we'll see if we can get something. Even just to tap back into it, stop or go there. If we can get there. You have to at least tap back into that, the orange shaded area, for me to even get short into this. Of not price, so I would have took the entry here, right? And then once price would have got here, I would have moved my stop to break even. Still can be still in play though, so see what this next 5 minute candle does. Okay, let's see what happens here. Wait until something's clear enough for me to engage. Let's see if how we react off the midpoint. No rush, chat. We no rush. Let me see what happens here. I like how we stay there. I like that reaction. We don't even trade to the midpoint. I like that a lot. Get rid of this there. Let's see if this holds this. Let's see if we can create a fair value gap. We did trade into one. Okay, that should be acted as an inversion there. Okay, well, that's what I'll do now. I like that there. My stop will be. Have to run on stops there. Okay. I would have took the short if we didn't stab into this just yet. I would have took the short going into this. But as you can see, if I didn't break even, I would have got tagged out. So with that being said, I'm gonna see how we create the gap here. My stop I have to go here. I have to just put it there. We'll see though. You definitely could come back into that there. If they reclaim that as bullish, or if we completely filled that in there. We didn't break above that high there. I'm not in this trade, by the way. Hold on. Trying to see what they want to do with it because it's becoming a little stagnant. We're in the lower half of this gap. Okay. Okay, I like that there. I like that there.
Order filled.
Stop. There. Really above the swing low. And then we'll target. That'll be the first target there. I should have went in with 2 instead of 3, but we good. There. And then so I'll take, if price does decide to get up there, stop is here. I have to go there. 1 to 5. I don't know. We're gonna see. But this should act as a reclaimed bullish fair value gap. So what I'll do is I'll take. What I'll do. Once price breaks above, I'm gonna put my stop up. Limit sell there. These highs look equal to me, so I think price could run up there. Price really shouldn't come back below this level here, so I'm gonna move my stop up now. We shouldn't come back above that. Below that, if we do, then I was wrong for sure. That's exactly what that means. But stop will go here. We'll take 1 off there. Limit sell, right, chat? I keep asking this every single day. My bad. Price gotta start getting some movement. It gotta start showing me some bullish candles now. If not, this trade is over with. I knew it. I knew it. I definitely knew it. Definitely knew it. We'll see. I was hoping they can reclaim this one as bullish. So we shouldn't stay here for too long. You know what I mean? 1, 2. We stayed in. You feel me? We shouldn't come back into it that many times. We can, but we shouldn't. I don't want to see that happen. I want to see price maybe tap into the upper quadrant, midpoint a few times. This could happen. Stop loss super tight. Stop is super tight. Yeah, this trade is cooked, bro. I already know. Yeah, I already know it is. I don't see us. We inside this gap for too long. Like we there just for too long. It's limit sell, right, chat? Limit sell for me to yeah, limit sell for sure. Limit sell there. Stop there. Hopefully we can get up there, and these candles can hold up as if this gives us some type of displacement. This candle holds up. That'll be nice. Macro comes in play. Let's see if that macro can deliver us, bro. That'll be so nice if the macro can push us higher, but I don't want to see us stay here for too long. I don't want to see us come back. I don't want to see us stay here for too long. If that's the case, macro will probably just deliver us lower. That'll be the case. Looking at this fair value gap here and this fair value gap here, probably should have took the short, but we'll see. We will see. This is gonna hold up as an inversion. Yeah, and then we got these lows are kind of equal. Those lows are pretty equal right there as well. As you can see, I got my stop loss at these equal lows, so this wasn't there when I took the long, you know what I mean? So we kind of don't know. We got liquidity on both sides of the marketplace, man. So we'll just see what happens. We'll have to see, man. Taking one off here. If we do get up there, taking one off there as well. Come on, macro. Be on our side today, please. Come on, macro. We just holding up inside this, but we'll see, bro. I want to see if they can reclaim this as bullish. I don't want to see that happening. I want to see only green candles from here. I only want to see green candles happening. Macros in play. Yeah, they probably run us. It's just those equal lows right there. Crazy, bro. We didn't deliver. But I'm looking at this gap here. I'm looking at this gap
Order
here.
filled.
Okay, so that alone showed me everything I needed to know. That alone right there did. So what I want to do is now we're still inside this gap here. Let's wait. We can wait. So we did end up using this gap right here as an inversion. That's what it's looking like so far. 15 seconds we create a gap. Nah, never mind, we closed it in. This is becoming like very high resistance. We're not doing nothing. So we'll see. I think I should have, yeah. I mean, the 15 minute showed me enough. 15 minutes showed me enough for sure. I'm gonna see this treat as an inversion as well here, so we will see. Macro did his job here, but when I took the trade here, Macro said nope. No fair value gaps, no retest into the nothing. Oh my god, we don't have nothing. Should have stuck to the original bias instead of trying to look for the short long. Should have stuck with it. Got that there, that inversion there. Got this fair value gap there. Price just ran those lows out. I don't want to just enter, chat. Even though I think he could. I need to at least see like a fair value gap. There's nothing. Got that small tiny gap there on a 30-second, but got that small gap there, but that's not enough for me to just want to take that. Five-minute create that fair value gap. This wick right here was crazy, but look at the close of it at the open. Guess we did hold from that small little tiny gap. We got that small tiny one there as well. This candle should have acted as support.
Order filled.
See, I get there. I'll take off new low of day at 10. See if they can target that low of the day. And see these up close candles. See how they treat those there.
Order filled.
All right, then. All right. Ain't really showing me. This is not it right now. I thought that would hold. Bad trade. 30 seconds. We just tapped into that one more. I'm gonna get a short one more try. That 2-minute delivery there and that 5-minute candle there. So let's see if we create a swing high. Hold on. How long we got? 45 seconds. Should be good.
Order filled.
This will be the last one for me. I think we can trade lower. Create a fair value gap. I'll add another one. And then target that daily low. Target this low and then this low right down here. Ultimately here. Put a partial there. So let's see. You tapped into it on the 5-minute. So look at your 1 hour closer. I didn't even look at the 1 hour time frame. Guess I am buying too low, right? I mean, selling's too short to the range. But I think this 5-minute candle, I think this will hold for sure. We came back into this gap too many times. I mean, we can still trade higher from it, but if we were going to trade higher from it, we shouldn't be in here so many times. So we'll see, bro. We'll see. I want to see it break lower. Wait till it hit 29,194. 29. What you talking about? Oh, okay. The midpoint of that wick here. I see it. This is getting annoying, bro. We tapped into the inefficiency here, the bearish fair value gap here once. I don't see why we would even come back up into it. We inside this gap, yeah, we could trade higher from it, but we've been inside that for too long. We did too much work inside of it, so. We got the immediate rebalance there. I don't see why this trade would even come higher, so. You gotta have patience, you're over trade. It's not over trading, bro. Looking at the discount, looking at the midpoint of this wick. Not that I was just wrong on the day, bro, and I'm call it a day. That'll be it. But we'll see. Cut your loss price is about to move against you. Yeah, it probably is. We're still inside that macro timing. But I'm submissive to my stop, so I don't really care about You just took 4 losses in less than 10 minutes. Nah, that's two. I took 2 losses. 2 losses. This is the third trade here. I don't take more than 2 trades, 3 trades max. We chop into that breaker here. Yeah, it's done. I agree. But if it hit my stop, it hit my stop. I agree. 5 minute would have been nice if we delivered lower from there though. But I guess this is the new low of day. This would be an optimal trade entry to go long, I guess. But I got 8 up inside this low key. Too stagnant. But optimal trade entry, as you can see there, that usually works out like most of the time. So I'm aware of it. I see it. It is what it is, bro. It is what it is. We just tap back into it once more. Go to US 30, looking better. I only trade the Nasdaq. I'll look at it, but I only trade the Nasdaq. Oh, it does look kind of clean though. We will see. We will see. After seeing price create that, then I'll shave off a little bit, I guess. I want to see how this closes first, and then I'll move my stop, even though I still think price will run this. I just hit 200 points on my first trade today. Good shit, bro. That's how you do it. This is very annoying, bro. Price gets like this. No moves, no nothing. Probably PM session. Damn, Jeff, you must be rich.
Order filled.
Alright, bro, I'm done, bro. This market is ass. We chopped too much. We did all this. This is not it. Call it a day, man. Call it a day, chat. PM session. I'm looking to eat away at some of this drawdown. Not too much of it, but just a little bit of it. We broke past this high. We don't even create a fair value gap or anything. Let's see. Out of this 5 minute, but that'll be it, man. That'll be it, bro. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up. I don't want to sit for too long. I got a lot of things to handle today. A lot of things to take care of today, so I can't sit here and chat too long. That'll be it, chat, man. I'll see y'all tomorrow. On the next one, bro. That'll be it.